Just a quick video to show Cal Brown's virtually finished DS9. I've got tiny bits of touch-up painting to do and it's done. And the base, showing the Federation com badge and the visual on com badge. 2 power switches here and here. And I'll just show some of the detail roundabouts on the pad, and there's that. And the power switches, one does the internal lights, which, okay, as the lights are on in the room, of course it don't shut that well, and one does power core and the flashing systems. I will say that the lights for here, when tested, didn't flash, but when I installed it and put it all together, they did, and I'm sorry about that. A bit miffed, but it's fluctuations in the power core, as you know how bad it was in DS9. Chief of Bro, if you never get it working properly. I'll just give a quick flick with this. And what I will now do is turn this light on here. And I'm going to shut this down. Nearly finished. Hope you like it. Thank you very much for watching.